Respected Mr. Madhav, friends, students, teachers, parents, and all our community members, a very good evening to all of you, especially to Mr. Ram. Thank you for joining in this lively conversation with the young minds who are sure to learn a lot about the complex issues that India faces and take away a better understanding that will guide them in discovering opportunities for growth in the post-pandemic world. At GIS, pursue a well-balanced holistic development of every child through our award-winning 9 GEMS framework. Now, we have raised the bar of 9 GEMS to the next level by making this holistic approach a very structured, measurable, and performance-based rather than treat it just as a hobby. After our students get groomed into global citizens, we encourage them to pursue their dreams, realistic dreams, of course. We are extremely proud of many of our students who have converted their early interests into professions and have done very well in sports, music, and many other areas. Our young students have always been awestruck by the space and the space travel. GIS students have had the opportunity to travel to NASA for field trips or study trips, and they are like, wow, this is great. That's something that every child grows up being fascinated by the stars, by the constellations, and the very magic of space. But now it gives me great pleasure to share that an alumni of the Global Indian International School who had a chance to work professionally in the NASA US, later got to work professionally in the SpaceX and be a part of the latest space mission that launched the 2 American astronauts to the International Space Station. GI students of International Baccalaureate, class 2014, Ms. Kanika was a proud team member of the SpaceX team and had the opportunity to be a part of the design and execution of the Falcon 9 landing legs project. Ms. Kanika has not only made GIS proud, but she has also made Singapore proud for playing this significant role as an ex-GIS alumni student. In fact, she has also made her parents and India proud too, and making all the Indians proud around the world. Today, we have an esteemed speaker who comes from an absolutely ordinary background, like many of us do, but who is a scholar par excellence. He has played and continues to play an important role in India's foreign policy by organizing multi-country dialogues through the India Foundation on topics such as Indian Ocean and its navigational security, to issues such as national security matters of counterterrorism, and many other matters of national importance. He wears many hats, many, from being a national coordinator for Jammu and Kashmir to being the coordinator for the Northeast states, where today the need of the hour is a strong foundation of education and development. He works in a big way, working 18 hours a day and with the lightning speed of a panther, and is deeply committed to strategic national issues. He is loved and widely respected by people from all parties, all walks of life, by foreign governments and their respected leaders. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Ram Madhav, who will share some of his thoughts on these initiatives and on the opportunities for growth for our young students, especially in the post-COVID era.